Understanding, worn out its welcome, in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're exploring a very interesting phrase, worn out its welcome. This expression is a great example of how English can convey complex ideas in just a few words. So, let's break it down together and understand how and when to use it. Stay tuned. The phrase, worn out its welcome, is used to describe a situation, person, or thing that has become unpleasant or unwelcome due to overstaying or being overly used. It originally implies that the welcome or initial acceptance and pleasure have diminished over time, often because the person or thing has been present to the point of becoming annoying or burdensome. Understanding the origins of phrases can often help us grasp their meanings more deeply. The phrase, worn out its welcome, has been part of the English language for centuries, and it beautifully captures the transition from being gladly received to becoming less and less desirable. In contemporary English, this expression is commonly used in both formal and informal settings. It's versatile and can refer to anything from overstayed guests to overused jokes. Let's look at some examples to see how worn out its welcome can be used in various contexts. After 2 weeks of staying at our house, I felt like our guest had worn out his welcome. The once popular TV show has worn out its welcome with repetitive storylines. These examples show how the phrase can be applied to different scenarios, highlighting its adaptability and the breadth of its usage. Understanding phrases like, worn out its welcome, is crucial for English learners because it not only enriches your vocabulary but also helps you grasp the nuances of the language. These expressions can add depth to your conversations and writings, allowing you to express complex ideas succinctly and effectively. And that wraps up our exploration of the phrase, worn out its welcome. We hope this video has shed light on its meaning, usage, and significance in the English language. Remember, learning such expressions can greatly enhance your fluency and understanding of English. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful language learning content. See you in the next video.